All right, children, let's begin today's class. The video concerning today is economics again. Syllabus concerning to class 10, chapter number 2, ICSE class 10, chapter number 2. Learning objectives for today is what is demand, which we have done before, but since it is related to the next topic which we are going to continue today, I'm doing it today also. All right, so briefly, and the next topic is the various types of demand. Out of that, various types of demand, yes. Out of that, I'm going to do two of them today, and rest I'll be doing it on the next class. Now, let's start. Uh, all right. Now, what is demand? What is meant by demand? Demand, as we see, as we can sometimes we consider that we want something, we want a mobile, we want a bike, we want something, and that we consider as demand. But in economics, when we talk about demand, we have to be more specific. Demand means demand cannot be equivalent to want. Here we demand consists of want, but there are other things which are added to it, and then it compounds to demand. All right. So the first thing is what we need is the demand for definition of demand is the demand for a commodity refers to the amount of commodity which a consumer is willing to purchase. All right, that is the effective demand, effective want, effective desire. That is, effective desire means what? Desire means when a mere desire does not compound to demand or want. If I have a desire of something, so I must go and put an effort to fulfill such demand. So that demand, all right, that want is the effective desire. All right, so we need first that thing, the willingness to purchase a commodity, consumer commodity, the ability to purchase, and the ability to purchase that is the money we must have. All right, at various possible prices. The various possible prices also should be there. Unless and until you know the price, you might not be able to go and purchase it. How much quantity will you purchase? Is it within your budget or beyond your budget? That is to be determined by the price. All right, so the price is one of the very important determinant factor of demand. And the last thing which is there is the during a time period. The demand has to be within a time period, it has a time frame. When we express that we want such and such thing, we always say that okay, we want it today or tomorrow or a week or after a month or in a year. That is how people demand things. All right, let's go to the next thing. All right, next question. Now in the slide you can see that there is a car and petrol gas is being filled in it. The petrol is being filled in it. Now the there are certain commodities, certain group of commodities or two or more commodities which are demanded together and consumed together, and these things which are together consumed and demanded, these are called joint demand. All right, so what is a joint demand? Joint demand refers to the demand for two or more goods which are used jointly or demanded together. Here the demand of one commodity leads to the demand of another commodity. When I'm going to purchase a car, I'll be going and purchasing petrol also. So when I purchase one thing, the other thing things demand I mean it is created naturally. So this is what is joint demand. All right, like car and petrol. All right, next slide you can see some rods are there, milk are there, and electricity. Now there is one thing common in these goods. All right, that these are used for different things. All right, take the example of steel. Steel is used in right in pin to the car to the to all the machines which you use. All right, you look around and you'll find things made out of steel. Most of the things are made out of steel. So it's a kind of material which is being used in a lot of goods. So it is not demanded for only one kind of thing. All right, Same as milk. When we ask for milk, we use milk for making curd, making milkshake, making drinking milk, making tea, making sweets, making cheese, making paneer, and all these things, so cottage cheese and all right. And so the demand for milk is not only for its own property, its own that only one thing. We demand milk for a lot of a bucket of things. All right, same as electricity. Electricity is demanded in the household, in the shops, in the factories, and everywhere. So these kind of demands are called composite demand. All right. Now, what is composite demand? The demand for goods that have multiple use is called composite demand. Multiple use, it is used in many different kind of things. A commodity is said to have composite demand when it can be put to several alternative use. For example, the demand for steel, all right, which is used in bus, in room coolers, in cars, etc., utensils, etc. All right. Let's go to the next question. What is, yeah, so here we come to the end of the today's video. All right, next day we'll be doing the other types of demand. All right, I hope you understood it. Thank you so very much. Have a very good day.